Question 4. We have a diagram of a design made of wire. So every line that you see in this picture is a wire, apart from this distance measured here, of course. In terms of the information that's given in the question, we are also given this in 3 statements. We're told that the design has a 70 centimeter side square. There's a circle in the middle with diameter 40 centimeters, and we have 4 straight pieces, each of length 15. So to start, I'm just going to highlight these on our diagram. The question itself, just to scroll down, is asking us for the total length of wire. So we're going to need to find the length of all of these bits that I'm highlighting, and I'm just breaking them down into the 3 pieces of information that were given. So we start off with the straight edges, add all them together because we have all the information for it. There's not really any calculation to do other than count them up. So there were 4 sides of this square with sides 70 centimeters, so I can just do 4 times 70, but 280 centimeters. It's the total length of the green. We have 4 lots of 15 for all of the blue lengths, giving us 60 centimeters. And then for the red one, because of the fact that it is a circle with diameter 40, our formula for the circumference of a circle is C equals pi d, which when we do pi times 40 is going to give us on our calculator 40 pi. Now, it won't make a difference in this question, but generally speaking, when you make a calculation involving a circle, my advice would be leave it in terms of pi. Don't press the SD button. Don't round your decimal. Keep it in pi form, let's say, until you get to your final answer, and then depending on whether or not this question asks you to leave it in terms of pi, or whether or not, like here, we actually want a decimal rounded, you should only round once at the end. So our total perimeter here, our total length of wire, let's just highlight it here, we'll just call it L, is going to be this 280, it's going to be this 60, and this 40 pi added together. And that's what I would then type into our calculator, which will give us 465.663 and change. Of course, this question wants it to 1 decimal place. No, it wants it to near centimeter even. So the rounding is going to happen here, giving us a 466 centimeters. It's always good to write out your decimal. It's not in full, but write enough of your decimal out so that if you make a mistake with a rounding, at least you've got the actual answer that it was there. But of course, 466 centimeters is our actual answer. We are done.